If you enjoy my videos, like, comment, and consider subscribing so you never miss a new video. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Bits and Knits. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this really beautiful baby blanket stitch. So this is a blanket that I'm working on for my nephew's christening. So all white, really beautiful, kind of an off-white. I'll put the materials I use for this blanket in the description below. So I'm going to show you with this yarn here, similar color. This yarn's a little thicker. So you're going to start with your slip knot. And you want to make multiples of 3 plus 1. So this is a really easy stitch. It works up pretty quick. For that blanket for my nephew, it is a really fine yarn, so it doesn't work up quite as fast, but if you're just using, you know, a number 4 weight yarn or something like that, it works up really fast, and it's really easy. Perfect for beginners, so let's see. Alright, so I'll do, that's plus 1. So I made 15 chains plus 1. So I have 16 chains for this sample swatch. And to begin, we're going to skip the first 3, and we're going to double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. So we'll yarn over and insert our hook into the 4th chain from the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Next we're going to chain 2 and single crochet into the same chain space that we just worked our double crochet. Next we're going to skip 2 chains and work into the next chain, making a double crochet, chain 2, and making a single crochet into the same chain space, skipping the next 2 chains, and we'll work into the next chain, making our double crochet, chaining 2, and making a single crochet into the same chain space. So this is the foundation row. So just setting us up for the rest of the pattern. So this is going to be the first row, and the rest is similar, and it's just a repeat of the second row. So let's just finish up this first base row. We'll skip 2, working a double crochet into that next chain space, chaining 2, single crochet into the same space, skip 2, and we're going to go into that last chain space with our double crochet, chain 2, and put our single crochet into that same chain space. Next we're going to chain 3 to turn, and we'll do that for every row, so turning our work. So this is going to be our repeat row for the rest of the blanket or pattern. So our chain 3 is going to count as a double crochet, and we're going to make another double crochet into this chain 2 space. So we're going to be working into the chain 2 spaces from the row below for the rest of the pattern. So chaining 2 and putting a single crochet into that same space. And we'll find our next chain 2 space, which is over here. We'll make a double crochet, another double crochet, so 2 double crochets, chain 2, and a single crochet into that same space. Finding our next chain space right here from the row below, and we'll make our 2 double crochets into that space. Chain 2 and single crochet into the same space. Finding our next chain 2 space from the row below and making our double crochets. 1, 2, chain 2, single crochet into that same space, and we'll find our last chain space and make our double crochets. Chain 2, single crochet into the same space. Next, we're going to chain 3 and turn. So again, it's the same repeat as the row that we just did for the rest of the pattern. So the edging is going to look a little bit wavy. So it's supposed to look like that. It's really pretty. So nice edging. You wouldn't have to put a border on this. Really nice pattern here. So we'll do one more row. And again, this is going to count as your double crochet, and you're going to make another double crochet into this first chain space. Chain 2 and adding your single crochet into the same space. We'll find our next chain 2 space, which is over here. So 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet, chain 2, and we'll add our single crochet into that same space. Our next chain 2 space over here. So we'll make our double crochet. Again, this is a really great pattern. It's super beautiful and it's mindless. You can just watch your TV or listen to your audiobook. Really great beginner pattern. Let's find our next chain 2 space over here. We'll make another double crochet. So we have 2 double crochets, chain 2, single crochet into the same space, find our next chain space, and we'll add our first double crochet, our second double crochet, chaining 2, and our single crochet into the same space. So at the end of the row, just chaining 3 and turning your work. Okay, so again, really easy, simple pattern. It looks very beautiful. I think it looks great in a white or an off-white, perfect for a baby shower or a christening, gender neutral color. You could use any color with this stitch, any yarn and corresponding hook that you like. And thank you all so much for watching. See you next time.